Centro. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates in the knockout competition. We're now down to the most exciting part, another exciting part, which is the preliminary question and answer portion. And this will be the determining factor as to who among our candidates will be in our top 5 finalists. So again, this will be the determining factor after accumulating all their scores in their preliminary apparel. So ladies and gentlemen, we have candidates number 1 to 7 on our stage, please. May we welcome our candidates number 1 to 7 for the preliminary interview. And may I call in our organizer, Sir Jerwin, for the envelope. The questions will be prepared by the organizers of this pageant. And with me is one of the organizers, and at the same time, the reigning Miss Gay Centro is. Hi, candidate number 1.
Hi, sir.
How tall?
5'11" without heels.
5'11" without heels. And with heels?
It depends on the situation when I use 5 inches heels or 6 inches heels.
Wow, how about 6 inches heels?
I think.
5. Don't worry, that's not the question. Please speak what in the law. Alright, so please give me the envelope. Each candidate is given 1 minute to answer each question. May I request the audience to please be silent for a while the candidates is answering the questions. What is that one life-changing decision that you've made, and what was its impact in your life? I repeat, what is that one life-changing decision that you've made, and what was its impact on your life?
I think that the life-changing decision that I've ever made is to join this kind of beauty pageants. We all know that beauty pageants is a platform for us in order for us to voice out the causes that we believe in. Beauty pageants like this serves a platform for us, the LGBTQ community, to voice out the causes that we believe in, the advocacy that we put in our hearts. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 1. May we have candidate number 2, please. Again, may we request candidates number 2 and other candidates till number 7 to please be in our stage. Hi, candidate number 2.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm great, sir.
So please pick one envelope. And here's your question. Amid the hardships and suffering the world is facing now, if you were given a chance to ask God one question, what it would be and why? I repeat, amid the hardship and suffering the world is facing now, if you were given the chance and ask God one question, what would it be and why?
Okay, the world has a lot to offer, many times for problems and seldom for pleasure. But in this time of troubles, we should always place in our mind that everything happens for a reason. Therefore, if I would have given the chance to ask one question from God, that question is there still love exist? But definitely, ladies and gentlemen, as a human being, I believe that does love exists. Why? Because many of us, Filipinos and human beings, are still existing the act of kindness. For I always believe that an act of kindness can really change the world. Thank you very much.
Thank you, candidate number 2. May we have candidate number 3 in her yellow outfit. How are you? Okay, please pick one envelope. And here's your question. Name something you learned and did the first time during the pandemic, which you consider as the most life-changing at all. Name something you learned and did the first time during the pandemic which you can consider as the most life-changing of all.
Ang kawalan po ng trabaho. Dahil ang pandemic po ay marami pong nawalan ng trabaho dahil sa pandemyang ito, ang mga tao ay hindi makalabas dahil
Maraming face mask. Walang sakyan. Gawa ni Manong Jo. Walang pata. Enay. Ay, thank you.
dahil sa challenges natatakot po silang lumabas.
Thank you, candidate number 3. Again, we request our audience to refrain from howling and yelling when the candidates are answering the question. It's not easy to stay on the stage. Hindi po madali. Let's welcome candidate number 4. Okay, here's your question. Oh. Assuming that you are a monkey, how will you convince the judges that you are beautiful? Assuming that you were a monkey, how will you convince the judges that you are beautiful?
Hi, good evening everybody. I don't want to sound cliche in answering the question, so I will repeat the question. Assuming that I am a monkey, how will I convince the judge that I am beautiful? You know what, my dear panelist board of judges, that God made us always be beautiful. All of us are beautiful. However, if you are a monkey or whatever kind of things that you are beautiful. But I always remember this: the physical attribute of a person will never change life, but the goodness of the heart. It's because I always remember that do good because that is really who you are, but do good because that is really who you are. So the matter what at the end of the day is the goodness of the heart always than the physical attribute. Thank you so much.
Thank you, candidate number 4. This time may we have candidate number 5. How are you, candidate number 5?
I'm so grateful and a little bit nervous.
Alright, so please pick one envelope, please. So here's your question. What do you think is the most inspiring quality that a Miss Gay Centro is 2022 should possess and why? I repeat, what do you think is the most inspiring quality that the Miss Gay Centro is 2022 should possess and why?
Okay, let me repeat the question. So, what I think is the most inspiring quality that a Miss Gay Centro is 2022 should possess and why? I think I will go directly and I'll answer that question from my heart. Ladies and gentlemen, I think the best quality of a Miss Gay Centro is 2022 should always have a good heart. Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, the holistic beauty, the personal outlook that you possess is just a bonus. But having a good heart that could really inspire other people, that could help other people, would definitely last a lifetime. So therefore, ladies and gentlemen, I've always believed that having a good heart will definitely one of the best quality of a Miss Gay Centro is should possess. So thank you so much.